You guys said, hey, let's learn how to mention somebody in your own Instagram story. So if you want to post a story and mention someone, all you need to do is to head it over and click over here on your story and basically head on over and launch your camera app and basically take a snap of anything. Didn't post it on your story, but if you want to mention someone, you could click over here on the text, are there to input a text. And then it could actually click over here. And now you could actually mention anyone you'd like, whether that may be your friends, family, acquaintances, and basically anyone you just like to mention on your story, whether that may be related to them or not, or just you found something funny and you want to tag them. And basically, so all you need to do is to mention someone. Let's say you want to mention your friend. So mention them and click on done and post it to your story. Basically, that is how you mention someone onto your Instagram story. So thank you for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the